Westermans here again with some new stock which has just arrived. Here we have some GenSet 300 amp diesel welder generators with an auxiliary of 400 volts, 220 and 110. These are all running with water cooled engines. We have the model 9-310 there. Also the 8-300IK. Machines are being sold as ex-demonstration. As you can see, the actual condition itself is basically as new. A few little scuffs on there, possibly slight dent on that side panel there, but overall condition is 9 out of 10, as we can't say 10 out of 10 because they're classed as ex-demonstration machines. I believe these are also suitable for MIG welding with a separate wire feed. Trolleys or undergear for site tow or road tow can be supplied if required. Details available from Westermans.com on these and other diesel generators from Miller and Lincoln, all carried in stock for quick delivery as required. MMA leads supplied if required. Alternatively, it will be a power source on its own. Can be shipped worldwide. Thank you for looking.